All right, hey guys.
Hi.
We're back again for another video. This one's going to be on types of reactions. So there are 5 main types of reactions in the world/universe, and we're just going to kind of walk our way through them.
I'm pretty excited about this.
I'm pretty excited about this.
I like types of reactions.
We're pretty excited.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, so let's talk about the first type.
Maybe.
Or
Buffering. Oh.
Hey! All right, so like I said, there's 5 types of reactions. As you can see, those are the 5 types.
Question.
Yes.
So synthesis, syn means to come together. So I think that one's kind of going to bring 2 things together.
Excellent. That's a great point. That's a great point. And thesis means something else. You like that? All right, so synthesis. Here's yeah, you like that?
That's a very good picture.
Check out this animation. Boom. All right, so just like Jerry said, or Miss Keiser said,
whoa,
a little personal here.
Okay.
Synthesis is when we bring 2 things together, right? And that's why there's a fun little picture of a married couple down there.
I like that.
It's like they're getting married. They're going to the chapel.
I like it. Why does this woman look like she's a bear?
I know. I thought it too. It was an Alaskan marriage. We don't ask questions about that. So here's a great example. So we got H2 plus O2, and it's going to turn into water. All right.
That's pretty easy. I like it.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
It's like they're getting married.
It is.
Just like that.
So 2 things come together.
It's cute. It's adorable.
Very cute.
Alrighty. So now decomposition. This one's a little bit sadder of a tale. So, Miss Keiser, synthesis was coming together. What do you think decomposition would be?
I'm going to have to guess breaking down. Or splitting up. Maybe like divorce. Or death.
Boom. That's exactly right. Or death. If we have 1 reactant and 2 products, it's decomposition. So take a look. It's the exact opposite. What? It's the reaction from the first slide flipped around.
No way.
I went there. What? Reactions can go both ways. Don't even start. All right. And then here we go. That's right. It's the poor molecules getting a divorce. Used to be H2O. It's just H2 and only O2. All right. Single replacement. This one's a little personal for Miss Keiser here.
I kind of like this one. I have a good example when we get there.
Do you? Do you? All right. I'm not going to lie. The pictures play a little bit of a role. So single replacement, that's when a metal switches the non-metal it's bonded to. That's a horrible definition, but that's what I got. Makes no sense whatsoever, but take a look. These are really slow animations.
They are. Oh, so, but I see, like, the metals switch spots.
Exactly.
So, like, if AG was a girl and CU was a girl, and AG on the reactant side went to the dance with Nicholas Nitrate there, and then he switched.
Good old Nikki Nitrate.
Nikki Nitrate. At the dance, by the time he got the dance, he found out that Kathy Copper was way better looking than Sally Silver.
Yeah. I'd like to think Nikki Nitrate's a little deeper than that.
Okay.
And he found an emotional bond with Cindy Copper. Kathy Copper. But
you know what I mean.
Yeah, so exactly right. It is almost like picture if Miss Keiser's prom date ditched her for someone else.
Oh!
That is exactly what
you really put that on there. Thanks.
I went right there. That's immortalized. That's you, by the way, in your Victorian gown.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm old, so that's fitting of me when I was in high school.
She's actually older than me. I know, it's ridiculous. So that's Nikki Nitrate. And
Nikki Nitrate and his new
Kathy
love,
Copper.
Kathy Copper.
Alrighty.
Oh.
So now a double replacement. So if you think about a single replacement, we had copper, right? It was all by itself. So what do you think a double would be?
Well, I'm going to say maybe 2 things are going to switch.
Man. Boom. It's when 2 ionic bonds switch to the nonmetals.
Okay.
That's, once again, horrible definition.
Yeah.
But you know what?
You got to work.
I just roll with that. So here's a great example. So Ag and Na, they just switch places. The first one switched places.
So the cations always switch.
Ooh, fancy. The cations always switch.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
I just do what I can.
Just changing lives.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this one I'm not going to make an analogy with because
I got a good
there.
one that's appropriate.
Do you?
Yeah, so like think back in the day when we had the good old quarterback of Kyle Orton.
Sure.
For the Chicago Bears.
Yeah.
And then Jay Cutler, which I really wish they would have kept, played for the Denver Broncos.
Oh, you
and we did a little double switch.
A little double displacement there.
Kyle left us, and we got the wonderful Jay Cutler.
Man, that's great.
Yeah.
You know, that's going to be a horribly dated analogy because next year,
that's very true.
Sadly, he's probably actually going to play forever.
Yeah, okay, so
they pay him way too much.
It worked for the time being.
You know, it's great. It's
I'll
great.
come up with a new one when
I appreciate
new
that.
things happen.
Yeah, I was just nervous to come up with. Anyway, yeah.
Okay.
So the cations just switch places, or the metals just switch places. All right, and now so we've done 4. This is our 5th one.
Kaboom! This is my favorite.
There you go. Combustion. All right, so it's the final type.
A good definition.
There we go. There's
Final
the-
type, combustion.
All right. So it's a hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water.
Question.
Yes.
What's a hydrocarbon?
You know what? I'm so glad you asked that. A hydrocarbon is anything that has hydrogen and carbon. So it's a
Oh.
hydrocarbon.
Well,
hydrogen,
that's-
carbon,
hydrogen.
hydrocarbon.
Okay, I
See
get
how they
it.
work that?
Mhm.
Hydro means hydrogen,
Okay.
and carbon is carbon.
Is it always a reactant?
In this case, a combustion. Yeah, we'll go with that. It's always a reactant.
All right, just making sure.
So in this case, I have a little CH4. You know what that is?
Methane.
Methane. Solid. So that's like,
That's gas.
yeah.
And
Yes.
we'll just leave
that
that.
is Jerry's gas. There you go. All right, and so that's it. I hope everyone had a fun and educational time, and we will see you later.
Bye.